My name is Jaron Castellanos, and I'm a finance student at Grand Canyon University.
My name is Dominic Bejar, and I'm also a finance student. I actually started my college career a little bit differently. I was at an SEC school. I made the decision about a year ago to take a leap of faith and transfer to Grand Canyon University. It ended up being one of the best decisions I've ever made.
For me, I'm a first-generation college student, and there was a lot of uncertainty when selecting a school. Thankfully, I found a lot of opportunity at Grand Canyon University, one of those being FTHB. It is a publicly traded fund on the New York Stock Exchange, and we invest into fixed income securities. What we try to do is we try to find how people can get a return, but also be proud of how they got that return. We do this by finding companies that are making the world a better place. And working on the finance team, we get to work with Bloomberg Terminals, BlackRock's risk management software service, and we get to work as a team to really find not only what makes a good investment, but also find what companies are doing good in the world.
I lead the technology team. We were able to create an AI program that screens securities and applies a faith alignment score to each investment. We also have theology students reviewing all securities that are screened and giving them their final review. We have marketing students who are creating materials to get the word out into the community. This is an amazing opportunity, bringing students from different colleges together on one opportunity and initiative.
And I think Grand Canyon University does an amazing job at not only providing experience for its students, but also providing them with a really great community as well. And if you want to learn business, I think that there's a great opportunity out there in the world.
But if you want to do business, the Colangelo College of Business at Grand Canyon University is for you.